Okay, so there's the broken part right there. What we're going to do is just repair it. So first of all, just take this out. You'll see the little clip right there. Then slide this out. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is first of all, I'm just going to glue that in place just to hold it until I get a chance to put the screw in. You can't reline that glue. It just isn't strong enough. So I drilled the hole. Now I'm going to put a little bit of plastic glue on it. And again, that's not going to be real strong, but it'll just add a little extra strength. And then I will put in the screw, if I can find it, as usual. I don't know where I put stuff. God bless it. Stronger than the original. Guaranteed not to break. Money back guarantee. And there you have it. From the Fix-It Man himself. Nope, it's not Jerry Springer. Just a Fix-It Man.